I just want to make a video for Alex Pisaki. Alex Pisaki, you are a really annoying kid, or a really annoying, stupid teenager, who thinks that everybody is stupid, and you just say all the time, like, don't pull the fire alarm. I mean, like, who needs, like, about more than 200 videos about explaining why you should not play with fire alarms or pull the fire alarms or tamper with it and that sort of shit. Here's my fire alarm. I use it as a decor. Hangs there nicely. And, well, yeah, that doesn't matter. But every time you film your fire alarms, when you talk, you go like this. Don't play with the fire alarm. If you do, you would get arrested. Now, well, first thing of all, if someone pulls a fire alarm in a public building, they don't get arrested. I mean, like, who will get arrested for pulling a fire alarm? Yeah, sure. It's not, it is a stupid thing to do, but you will not pull the fire alarm because it's not really a criminal offense. You only get fined by the fire department and stuff. I mean, like, yeah, I've witnessed that before, and that kid got a $800 fine. You will not get arrested. Really. I'm like, no cop will show up and arrest a kid for pulling a fire alarm. Only just a bare warning or maybe a fine. So, yeah. And why? And you keep on making videos like also about Pickle 700? Dude, you should leave that guy alone. I mean, like, Pickle 700 is a very good, very good YouTuber, and he's a very good guy. I'm like, yeah, and he works as fire alarms for the living. So, yeah. And whenever he pulls a fire alarm in a building, he only does that while he's working on the system of the building. So, I want you to leave Pickle 700 alone, okay? And that 40, 50, 80 video about that Edwards, with the Edwards integrity, well, yeah, sure, you had it coming to you. Because you are annoying and you think that we're all stupid and retarded. Well, the thing is, so, Alex, you're the one who's really retarded. I mean, like, you always film like in your bed the whole day. And I'm filming on my wall, but I just don't want to show my face. And you just film your video and film your fire alarm that you never use. And I bet you don't know how to use it. You just go like this. Don't ever pull the fire alarm. Don't ever change the coatings or change the candela. And don't ever mess with the fire alarm panel. Yeah, and don't ever break the fire alarm. If you do that, and then you will say they will go to jail. Like I said, you will not go to jail. Have you ever heard of the guy wrestler? He smashed a public fire alarm. But did he get arrested? No. But he did replace it. That is a generous act. You will never ever get arrested for smashing a fire alarm or go to jail. And even if someone plays with your fire alarm, except maybe if it's a stranger, for breaking an injury, yeah, that's the only time you'll call the police or something. So yeah, and So what I want to say, Alex, you should stop making these videos about what we already know since first grade or something. And oh yeah, that's another thing. You say we don't need these fire drills in schools. Well, they do that every month and every year, every grade in every school, just for the purpose, because you never know. You have immigrants in the world. They just probably somewhere from Europe or from Asia or Africa. They come to America. They don't know what to expect. They probably don't know what to expect. And that's why they have fire drills every month, every year, every school, regardless. They do fire drills in schools. And by the way, I used to live in the US. I moved there when I was 4 years old. And I came back when I was 14. So yeah, for that purpose, I knew how fire drills works. And in Europe, they don't do it that often. But it doesn't matter. Just please stop fucking make these videos. And stop sending us hearts for comments that you don't understand. And this is what you do. Every time it's silent, there's like 10 seconds or 20 seconds of silence, and I just scroll down the video. I'm imitating you right now. But yeah, you probably won't understand because you'll just send me a heart anyways. And this is why people, they pick on you. Even the 40, 50, 80 YouTuber or the Pickle 700, maybe, I'm not sure, but we make videos also for fun. So I learned this from me, Alex, because I know what it is. With the autism spectrum, I have autism too, but I do know every person's boundaries. I know every boundaries, and you really don't. And I have a fucking life. I don't sit around and film on my bed all day with a fire alarm on top of it. I do things. But yeah, you gotta film your fire alarm and do your stupid video. You just never learn. Really.